Building wealth is not just about the glitz and glamour, but the gritty, relentless pursuit behind it. Welcome to a journey that few dare to embark on. Get ready to unveil the raw realities that shape the path to prosperity. This isn't your usual financial advice. It's a wake-up call to what it truly takes to build wealth. The myth of overnight success. In a fast-paced, instant gratification world, the myth of overnight success in wealth building often sparkles in the public eye. It's a tantalizing narrative, selling the dream that fortunes are just a lucky breakaway. But peel back the curtain on this alluring facade, and you will discover a starkly different truth, especially when examining the journeys of the famous and successful. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series. Today, she is celebrated as a billionaire author, but her path to success was anything but instant. Before Harry Potter soared to global fame, Rowling faced rejection from multiple publishers, battled personal hardships, and lived on the brink of poverty. Her success was a product of years of relentless writing, unwavering belief in her story, and enduring a multitude of challenges. Rowling's journey exemplifies a key finding from a study by the Small Business Administration. Most successful entrepreneurs experience several failures before finding success. It's a path marked by perseverance, resilience, and a long-term commitment to one's vision. Another striking example is the tech giant Apple. Today, it stands as a colossus in the tech world, but its journey was riddled with obstacles. The founders Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started Apple in a garage, facing numerous challenges, including financial constraints and market skepticism. Apple's journey to becoming a trillion-dollar company was gradual, involving innovation, strategic pivots, and enduring various market ups and downs. This aligns with research from the National Bureau of Economic Research, which highlights that sustained innovation and adaptability are crucial for long-term business success. These stories shatter the illusion of overnight success and underscore a crucial truth. Building substantial wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands more than just a brilliant idea or a stroke of luck. It requires grit, determination, and a steadfast commitment to a long-term goal. It's about facing setbacks head-on, learning from each failure, and persistently moving forward. This understanding is vital for anyone embarking on their wealth-building journey. It shifts the focus from seeking quick riches to cultivating a mindset geared towards sustainable growth and resilience. By recognizing that even the most successful journeys are fraught with challenges and setbacks, individuals can approach wealth building with realistic expectations, patience, and a strategy tailored for long-term success. In summary, the myth of overnight success is just that, a myth. Real and enduring wealth is often the result of a relentless pursuit of one's goals, coupled with the ability to navigate through the inevitable storms of failure and disappointment. It's a journey that requires not just talent or vision, but an unwavering commitment to persevere through the highs and lows. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down if you know any similar story. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The sacrifices behind the scenes. These sacrifices are often hidden from the limelight are the silent yet powerful engines driving successful stories. Let's delve into the story of Elon Musk, a figure synonymous with groundbreaking innovation and staggering wealth. Today, Musk's ventures from Tesla to SpaceX position him as a titan of industry. However, his journey was strewn with immense personal sacrifices. In the early days of Tesla, Musk poured his entire fortune from previous ventures into keeping the company afloat. He risked it all, facing a real possibility of personal bankruptcy. Beyond financial risks, Musk endured long hours and immense stress, sacrificing personal time and well-being to realize his vision. His story aligns with findings from a Harvard Business School study, highlighting that successful entrepreneurs often face high levels of personal and financial stress in the pursuit of success. Similarly, consider the journey of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become a media mogul and billionaire. Oprah's success was built on relentless work ethic and resilience in the face of numerous personal and professional challenges. She endured a tough childhood, faced discrimination in her early career, and overcame numerous setbacks. Oprah's sacrifices in her relentless pursuit of her goals were pivotal in her journey to wealth and influence. These narratives reveal a critical dimension of wealth building. It's not just about smart investment strategies or groundbreaking ideas. It is as much about the willingness to make sacrifices, personal, financial, and emotional. This aspect of wealth building is seldom highlighted in success stories, yet it is a universal thread among those who have achieved significant wealth. Their sacrifices extend beyond the individual to their relationships and personal life. Building substantial wealth often means less time for family, strained relationships, and missing out on life's simple pleasures. It's a balancing act where the pursuit of professional success can overshadow personal life. However, these sacrifices are not in vain. They are investments in their own right, investments of time, energy, and resources that, albeit painful in the short term, can yield significant long-term rewards. The stories of Musk, Oprah, and many others stand as a testament to the notion that success and wealth are not just the result of what one does in the public eye, but equally of what one is willing to endure behind closed doors. In essence, the path to wealth is not just paved with financial strategies and business acumen, but with personal sacrifices that lay the foundation for future success. It is these unseen sacrifices that often make the difference between aspiring entrepreneurs and successful wealth builders. Wealth is more than just money. In the final act of our exploration into the truth about building wealth, we confront a profound realization. Wealth is more than just accumulating money. It's a broader, more holistic concept encompassing value, impact, and personal fulfillment. To illustrate this, let's look at the life of Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's name is synonymous with immense wealth. However, what sets him apart is not just his bank balance, but his approach to wealth. Buffett lives modestly, well below his means, and has pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to philanthropy. His wealth is not hoarded, but shared, creating value beyond the monetary. This reflects a study by the Giving USA Foundation, which found that many wealthiest individuals found greater satisfaction in philanthropy than just accumulating wealth. For Buffett, wealth is a means to an end, not the end itself. It's a tool for creating impact and leaving a legacy. Similarly, consider the journey of Bill Gates. Beyond building Microsoft into a tech behemoth, Gates' true legacy lies in the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which aims to enhance healthcare and reduce poverty globally. Gates once was the richest person, now defines his wealth not by what's in his bank account, but by what he contributes to the world. It's a perspective that aligns with research from Boston College, which found that true satisfaction for many wealthy individuals comes from using the wealth to effect positive change. These cases reflect a broader truth about wealth. Its real power lies in its potential to create impact. True wealth transcends financial achievements to include the betterment of society, the nurturing of relationships, and the pursuit of passions. is about creating a legacy that outlives the individual, crafting a story of impact and contribution. This concept of wealth is particularly relevant in today's world, where the pursuit of money for its own sake often leads to empty victories. The real victory lies in using wealth to enrich not just oneself but others. It's about building schools, not just bank accounts, funding research, not just stock portfolios, supporting communities, not just personal luxuries. In closing, the journey to wealth is not a linear path to a hefty bank account. It is a multi-dimensional journey that encompasses financial security, personal fulfillment, and societal contribution. As perfect endgames exemplify, the richest individuals are those who understand that their wealth is a tool for broader impact. This holistic approach to wealth not only enriches the individual, but also the world around them, creating a legacy that transcends monetary value. And there you have it, the uncomfortable, unadorned truth about building wealth. Is a blend of relentless pursuit, personal sacrifices, and a deeper understanding of what true wealth means. This journey isn't for the faint-hearted, but for those brave enough to embrace it. The rewards extend far beyond the bank balance. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of true wealth creation? The path is laid out. The choice is yours. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.